The Physical Books Titles Network view, Data Visualization, provides an overview of the books within your consortium. This workbook can only be accessed by the Alma Network Zone, meaning the consortium office. The workbook enables network managers to maintain a shared print strategy across the consortium. By looking at the collections as a whole and identifying the last copies of titles, you can advise members on acquisitions, retention, and deselection, thus balancing the collections between the members. You can access the Physical Books Titles Network view, Data Visualization, via Analytics, Access Data Visualization. In Oracle Analytics, open the top left navigator, Catalog, Shared Folders, Alma, Consortia, Data Visualization. Double-click the Physical Books Titles Network view, Data Visualization. Our workbook comprises 4 canvases focusing on titles with varying extensive coverage among the institutions. Unique titles are titles covered by only one institution. Limited titles, by up to 3 institutions, and multiple titles, by more than 3 institutions. The first and current canvas is an overview. The Unique Titles by Institution visualization shows the top 10 institutions ranked by the number of unique titles they hold, meaning no other institution has those titles. In our example, the University of Knowledge carries most of the weight while the Open University has only 132 unique titles. The Unique Titles by Classification visualization answers the question of which institution has the largest collection of unique titles per classification, LC or Dewey. Skipping over the titles with unknown LC classifications, we can see the University of Knowledge has the largest unique collection of English literature, followed by many other subject areas of this university. If we wish to focus on other institutions, we can filter out the University of Knowledge by right-clicking on it and clicking Remove Selected. Our filtering reveals mostly titles with unknown classifications, so let's filter those out as well. Now we can see Alma University has 50 unique titles in American literature. Let's clear our filter selections. The final visualization shows us how many of the unique titles in our consortium are marked for retention. In our case, from thousands of unique titles, only 12 are marked for retention, and we may wish to retain some more. The next canvas, Unique Title Details, focuses on those titles held by only one institution. Your consortium may want to mark some of these items for retention. The first 2 tables list the top 10 unique titles by LC classification and Dewey classification, which can help you identify subject areas that need strengthening. In the bottom section, you can create an actionable list of titles by selecting several filters. For example, let's create a list of American literature titles in the Open University which we would like to mark for retention. You must select one or more institutions. Open University in our case. For the LC classification, we'll select American literature, then filter out titles already marked for retention. Click Apply. We now have a list of titles which we can export to a file, or print, to share with the member institution that will handle the retention. The next canvas, Limited Title Details, is similar to the previous one, but focuses on those titles held by up to 3 institutions. Here too, you may wish to create lists of titles for retention. The final canvas, Multiple Title Details, is similar to the previous ones, but focuses on those titles held by more than 3 institutions. Owing to the large coverage of these titles, you may want to create a list here of titles for deselection. With the network-wide vision provided by this workbook, you can advise your members on retention and deselection. It may be useful to refer them to the Books Retention and Deselection Data Visualizations on the institutional level.